Hello, I am Lois from LA Devote Style, and today I'm going to be showing you how to put a patch on a hat if you don't have a hat press, or even if you do, but this is using glue. It works better for me, and I've read other people too, better than iron-on, because the iron-on will come off over time, and especially on garments, it's been known to come off in the wash if it's not sewed down also. So I'm going to be using a permanent glue. This is just one of the patches I made. This was for 2021 graduation. So right now we're going to work on a different hat that I haven't done yet. And I'm using the E6000. You can use your permanent glue of choice and follow the directions on the glue. If you use this one, it's recommended to use in a well-ventilated area. The hat I am using, I'm going to try to stay here in the camera angle. It's just a regular trucker type hat with a trucker type design. This is how I roll, and the patch will go right on the front here. Okay, so I have a plastic bag here. You'll want to keep your work surface covered so you don't get glue on it. And I've got a plastic bag, and I'm using a straw. You could use a popsicle stick or you know, I don't know, anything that you can toss out afterwards, because you're not going to want to keep it. Okay, I am going to squeeze some glue, not a lot, but some, onto the back of the patch right in the center, and then I'll be spreading it out with my straw. And I don't want it dripping too far across there, so we'll do that. Okay, and then I just take my straw or whatever implement you're using and spread it across. And you don't want to get real close to the edges, at least not with thick glue. You want it on the edge, but not so that when you put it down that it will squeeze out. And you can also, you know, after it's pretty much dry on the hat, you can clean up your edges with extra glue, and by adding extra glue, and with a toothpick. It's really difficult to clean up off of if you get extra glue on their hat, and to try to get that off, it's not worth the hassle. So it's better to take your time and to be careful. Okay, I think I got it covered pretty good on the back here. I don't know if you can see that. I am not a videographer, so I apologize for the quality of this video. It's just not something I have mastered yet. So I'm going to center this patch on the hat. Got it centered there, and I'm going to put my hand behind it and press down on the edges and hold them for just a couple seconds, or a minute or so, maybe less than a minute. Just enough so that it's sticking, and then you're going to have to let it set, possibly overnight, to really set up so that it sticks permanently. So let's press that down. Okay, it's on there pretty good now. Let's see if you can see. There you go. It's on there. I see there's a little room at the edges, but we'll get that pressed in, and then tomorrow, after it sets up and the glue's, you know, the rest of the glue is hardened down, I can go back in and get those edges glued down. If you do have a hat press, you can use that kind of as a clamp to hold the glue down. And also, I did see somebody on another YouTube channel that used some drops of super glue on the edges to hold it in place. But once again, you just need to be careful with that, whatever glue you're using. But that came out pretty good, and it wasn't difficult. So on my patches, I haven't put the heat and bond. I started to do that, but then I noticed that people had trouble with it falling off. So if you're going to sew on a patch, you could, even if it was you could probably sew it on a hat too. You can do that by hand within just a couple minutes. It's probably faster than doing it by machine for most of us. All you would do is put some tape across your placement. You could put like painter's tape, masking tape, wherever you want it on your shirt or jacket. Tape the patch on the front just so the placement stays, and then you would turn your garment over, and from the back you would stitch the edge. You'd be able to feel the edge. This has a flap up here, but you'd be able to feel the edge where the edge was and just stitch through the bottom border. You wouldn't have to stitch through the whole patch, but I would match your thread to the border. And yeah, you just stitch through the threads, you can see here, like on the bottom. And that would secure your patch, and then you take your tape off when you're done. And within 2 minutes, you would have your patch sewed on your garment. It'd be as quick as sewing on a button. And I know some of you are like, I don't know how to sew on a button. Well, once you learn, it's not too difficult. So anyway, that's how you do it. So enjoy, and also, you know, I will sew on patches for a minimal fee, especially if you purchase some of my patches. These will be up on the website soon, and they'll be in a store here in Minnesota soon too. So enjoy. Have a great day. Bye.